How to fix games keep crashing on Windows 11. So if you want to fix games keep crashing on Windows 11, we'll be doing some simple steps. So the first one is you need to simply go for the search or go for the Windows and type command, and you need to simply go for the command prompt, and you need to go for run as administrator. And once you do that, it will ask you to allow. Then you need to simply click on yes and allow, and then you will have this kind of interface. And you need to enter a command which is sfc, and then slash, which is a forward slash, and then scan now. And once you've entered this command, hit the enter, and this command will scan the whole computer. And if you have any bugs under your computer, then it will simply remove the bugs under your computer and make it smooth. And once you've done, you need to simply restart your computer. And here it says 10%, 11, 12%, right? So you need to simply wait until it says 100%. And once you've done that, you need to simply remove that, and then you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted your computer, your problem might be fixed. And after that, the next step is you need to simply go and right click on the Windows, and here you need to go for settings. And once you're here on the left, you will have a bunch of options. Go for the system, and under system you need to go for power and battery. And once you're here, you need to simply go for the power mode option, which says optimize your device based on power, use and performance. Under that, you need to go for the right, and you need to select for the best performance option. So if you have best power efficiency or balanced, then you need to go and click on best performance. And once you click on best performance, now you need to remove that, and you can simply right click on your Windows again and then go for run, and here you will have your run tab, right? And now you need to type sysdm.cpl and then hit the enter or click on OK, and it will take you to this kind of page. And once you're here, you need to simply click on the advanced and go for settings, and you need to click on adjust for best performance. If you have that to the other options, then you need to simply go for the third option, which is adjust for best performance. And once you've clicked, you need to click on apply and then OK. Once you've done that, you need to remove everything, and then you need to restart your computer or your laptop. And once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.